yeah, we went to the beach today. It's Sunday, October 2nd, I think, and so beautiful already. Can't believe that. Anyway, it was a nice day to come out to the beach. It's about as windy as it normally is. The tide's coming out. You can see the wind on the sand here. You can see the three islands. Sorry, over there, Innisbluffin, Innisderry, I guess, Innisbeg, and then Torry, of course, over there on the other side of the waves. We're here at the edge of the Ray River here, and it comes out off of Muckage over there in the mountains, so it's a really nice day. May not realize is that on this side of the river is the human side. On the other side over there is the seagull side. So all the seagulls are over there today, so I'll claim them their side. Anyway, all the good crack. So it's a beautiful day at the beach. Wish you gave me here with us, maybe sometime. Scannánaithe, Scannánaithe.